Welcome to this event on, or rather course on mastering Jenkins on AWS, right? Building a complete continuous integration, continuous delivery pipeline. My name is Syed, and along with my team ClayDesk and other co-instructors, Myra Gul, Syed Ali, Syed Qasim, we all are certified AWS professionals working with enterprise companies. Our goal for this course is to walk you through step-by-step, hands-on in implementing a full CI/CD pipeline with Jenkins, okay? And many or several organizations around the globe, in fact, are still using Jenkins as being their continuous integration tool. So if you are looking for a job or grow your career, for example, you definitely would have come across this question, whether you've worked with Jenkins or not, right, within AWS. So this is the perfect opportunity for you to, in fact, go through this training session, learn hands-on. We do it through Zoom meetings. We do it through Skype, right? You walk through different architectures and actually implement from start to finish, all hands-on, led by our AWS certified instructors, step by step, so you can learn and actually implement the entire project. So this is a project-based event, right? And our goal is to get you comfortable and even proficient, rather, with implementing Jenkins within AWS. So what we're going to cover quickly here is that we're going to walk step by step from creating an AWS account, Enroll, user groups, and then running EC2 instances, creating a build server on another EC2 instance, creating scripts so you're comfortable with those, and also working with the Elastic or ELB, right, Elastic Load Balancer, so that you can implement or deploy your application, whether it's Python, whether it's Tomcat, or Java, or PHP, any application. So we are going to be deploying the actual application through the pipeline, creating a master branch or other branches as well that we're going to talk about within this particular session, okay? And then, so by the end of this course, you're comfortable within the AWS EC2 environment or the compute environment, as well as Jenkins, or how to connect to the Jenkins dashboard and how to configure Jenkins and how to deploy the application using GitHub. And that's be your source repository. So once you make a change within your source repo, for example, the change will be reflected live on a particular website. So you get the idea. We welcome you, and I'm super excited. My team ClayDesk is super excited to have you within this session, and we're looking forward to walking you through this entire project. So I hope you find great value in it. We value your feedback. Let me know certain topics that you wish to cover. We'll be happy to include those as well. And what are you waiting for? Click on the Enroll button now, and we'll see you in class.